Hello students, here I Priya Sachar. Welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7. Today we will continue with our chapter number 6, Simple Linear Equations. But before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe my channel, so whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. And don't forget to write your name, class, section in the comment box for daily attendance. Let's start with quick recapitulation. An equation is a statement in which left hand side expression will be equals to right hand side expression. For example, here you can see 3x plus 2 and 4x minus 5. These are two algebraic expressions which are combined with equal to sign. So this becomes an equation, right? If the two sides of the equation are interchanged, then no change in equation. Equation remains the same. Every equation has a unique solution. Next topic is simple linear equation. An equation with one variable which has the power 1 is called a linear equation in one variable, or we can say a simple equation. For example, 7x minus 2 minus 3x is equals to 8. Here you can see this expression degree is 1. So this is a simple linear equation. But in 3x square minus 4x minus 7 is equals to 0, degree of this expression is 2. So this is not a linear equation. Next topic is how to solve a linear equation. Transposing a term is changing the sign of the term and shifting it to the other side of the equation. If we will transpose any term to other side of the equation from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, then sign reversed. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Multiply becomes division and division becomes multiplication. Right? Now for example, if we have to solve 12x minus 2, 3x minus 1 is equals to 14. So in that case, first we have to open the bracket. When we will open bracket, then it will be 12x minus 6x plus 2 is equals to 14. Now 12x minus 6x will be 6x. When we will transpose 2 to right hand side, it is positive, so it becomes negative. So 14 minus 2 will be 12. 6x is equals to 12. Now when we will transpose 6 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to divide. So x is equals to 12 by 6 will be 2. Value of x will be 2. Now come to exercise 6a, third numerical. Solve the following equations and write them in statement form. First we have to solve this equation. D by 2 is equals to 1, which is first part. We have to solve this equation and then we have to write it in statement also. So first do transposition. When we will transpose this to that side, means from left hand side to right hand side, then division becomes multiplication. So what we will write? D is equals to 1 into 2, right? And D is equals to 1 into 2 is 2. So this is the answer. Now we have to convert this equation as an statement. So what will be the statement? Half of D is equals to 1, right? Similarly, this fourth part, 3m minus 4 is equals to 4. First transpose this 4 minus 4 that side, right hand side, minus becomes plus. 4 plus 4 is 8, and when we will transpose 3 to right hand side, it becomes in division. So a value of m will be 8 by 3, right? So now convert this equation into statement. Thrice of m decreased by 4 gives 4, right? Now fifth part, 4 plus x is equals to 2x minus 7. In that case, I have transposed this 2x, this variable, from right hand side to left hand side. So x minus 2x is equals to minus 7. When we will transpose 4 from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes negative. So minus 7 minus 4 will be minus 11 and x minus 2x is minus 6. Then cancel out negative sign from both the side. X will be 11. Now convert this equation into statement. What can we write? X increased by 4 is twice of x decreased by 7. Right? Now seventh part, 2n upon 3 plus 6 is equals to 13. First transpose this plus 6 to right hand side. So it becomes 2n by 3 is equals to 13 minus 6. Right? And 13 minus 6 is 7. When we will transpose 3 to right hand side, it becomes 7 into 3. And when we will transpose 2 on right hand side, it will be 21 by 2. So value of n will be 21 by 2. Now convert this simple equation in statement. What we can write? We can write as 2/3 of a number n increased by 6 is 13. Okay? Now fifth numerical, construct two equations with b is equals to minus 2 as solution of the equation. Now we have to construct any two equation in which when we will put b is equals to minus 2, left hand side will be equals to right hand side. So first equation which I have made is 18b by 3 plus 12 is equals to 0. We can check also by putting b as minus 2 in this equation. When we will put 18 into minus 2 by 3 plus 12 in this left hand side, when we will solve 3, 6 are 18, 6 2s are 12, so it will be minus 12 plus 12 becomes 0 equals to right hand side. So this equation which I have made is correct, right? Now second part, second equation which I have taken as minus 2b plus 4 plus 8b is equals to minus 20. Here again we can check also by putting b as minus 2 in this equation. When we will put and solve, it will be left hand side will be minus 2 plus 4 plus 8 into minus 2. And when we will open bracket, 4 minus 2 will be 2 and 8 into 2 is 16 and plus minus minus. So minus 16 will come. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 minus 16 becomes minus 20, which is equals to right hand side. So these equation which we have made are correct. You can make your own equation in this numerical, right? Now sixth numerical, solve the following equation. We have to solve these equation and we have to find out the value of x by transposing numbers or variable from left hand side to right hand side. And you know that when we will transpose, then plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiply becomes division and division becomes multiplication, right? So first part, x plus 9 is equals to 10. When we will transpose plus 9 to left hand side to right hand side, then 10 minus 9 will be 1. So value of x will be 1, right? Fifth part, 2p plus 7 is equals to 9. When we will transpose this plus 7 from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes minus 7. 9 minus 7 will be 2. 2p is equals to 2, and now transpose 2 to right hand side, then 2 upon 2 will be 1. So value of p will be 1. Now seventh part, 3 by 5 cube plus 3 is equals to 18. Transpose plus 3 to right hand side, it becomes minus 18 minus 3 is 15. When we will transpose 5 to right hand side, here it is in division, so it becomes multiplication. So 15 into 5. 3q is equals to 15 into 5. When we will transpose 3 that side, then we have to divide 15 into 5 upon 3. When we will solve, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 5 fives are 25 will be the answer. Right? Now 10th part, 1 by 2x plus 3 by 4 is equals to 1 whole 1 by 4. When we will solve this mixed fraction into simple fraction, it will be 5 by 4. Now transpose plus 3 by 4 from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes negative. So 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4, when we will solve by taking LCM, it will be 2 by 4. So 1 by 2x is equals to 2 by 4. Cancel out. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 1 by 2x is equals to 1 by 2. Now we can cancel out 1 by 2 from both sides. So value of x will be 1. Clear? Now I am giving you some numericals related to exercise 6a only. Solve in your classwork notebook. If you have any query, then you can write in comment section. PDF of this home task and today's work is also available in description below. Okay, bye bye, take care.